Hello folks, so back again with another how to plug video. A quick one. This is the Dacia. I'm sure the Sandero is the same, but this is a Dacia Jogger, this one. Anyway, you might see one of these warning signs on the dashboard saying that the keycard battery is low. If you get that, well, how are you going to fix it? Well, this is the keycard that comes with the thing. Now, looking at it, you're thinking, well, how am I going to get this open? It's not obvious how you get it open, and we'll put it that way. But I found that if you hold it this way up, like this, call it the top and the bottom, and it slides towards the bottom. So what you've got to do is to stick your fingernail underneath there and push down on the top like that. Now, if you don't put your fingernail, it's going to be really difficult, but I'm sure some of you can be able to do it. But anyway, so inside here, there's the key. There's the spare key. So if your battery goes flat completely or whatever, then you can get into the car with the key. But we're not talking about that today. But in there is the battery, and it's a 2032. And you're thinking, well, how do I get this open? It's not that easy. You kind of like prise off. I'm just going to get a key and or a pen will do. I'm just going to go like this. Careful not to break it. I'm sure these things are expensive. Right, so there we are. So that's what we've got there. Now, how we get this out? It's quite simple. So what you do is just kind of like, there's a little tab that holds it in there, so you've got to move that to one side. Let's use a pen again. Let's move that to one side like that, and then the thing should pop out like that. Okay, there we are. So we changed that. We probably test the voltage. In fact, I did it yesterday. I tested the voltage, and that was 2.9 volts. Alright, so there we are. So put a new one in, it's going to be a little bit more than 3, so it should work. So to put it back again, we'll do this. Put it back again. So pretend this is a new one. The 2032, you see it written on the side there. 3 volts. Let's just check it's 2032. I'm sure it is. Yes, CR. What does that say, camera person? You've got better eyes than me.
CR2032H.
Yeah, okay. Right, so let's stick that back in there like that, so it goes in there like that, and then that clicks in there like that. So we've got to put his little hat back on, and that goes on like that, and this thing goes on like, oh, wait a minute, like that. So there we go. That's how to do it. Hope that helps, and I've got a playlist for Dacia Jogger if you want to look at that, and I'll leave the link in the description. Anyway, that's all for now. Ta-ta!